In this video I'm gonna show you Spatial Wallpaper not working on your iPhone 17R some provide solution. So let's try to make it an image 3D effect, but it's not working. So simply open an image. So look here, showing it to this option. When I'm press on, now it's make 3D, but some image not showing here this option. Like look here, this image not showing here this option. So note down, you must be need to take a photo or download photo. This is my screenshot photo, so not showing here this option. If you want to select take a photo or download photo, then you get this option, otherwise not get this option. Okay, and I'm just press on to share, use as wallpaper, and just click on. Then now make it 3D effect, and now it make it 3D effect. Press on add. Okay, so look here, now it's make 3D effect.